What's up, GNCRC gang? Today I got an unboxing for you guys. But first, I want to ask you guys that are not subscribed, you would go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. And hit that like button for me, guys. And make sure you hit that notification bell. If you would, make sure you comment on this video. That'll help the channel. Alright guys, so today I want to go over something that I got. But before I even open this thing up, I just want to tell you about my experience with this particular company. So the website is flubberstuffers.com. I'm going to post the link in the description of the video. Now, the guy that I was dealing with is Carruthers Custom Prints, which you'll see that on the screen also. That's on Instagram, Carruthers Custom Prints. And it's Chris Carruthers. You guys probably heard a whole lot about him. I don't know if you guys have seen the Flubber Stuffer website, but he has a whole bunch of cool stuff. Make sure you go below and check out that website and go on Instagram and follow him and let him know I sent you. Now, before I open this thing up, I want to let you guys know that he sent this out like, I don't know, this is, I forgot when I made the first order, but he did send it out really fast. And of course, I don't know if you guys are aware of it. I tell people this all the time. The post office is having a whole bunch of problems. Some kind of way this thing got all the way to Memphis, like a city over from where I am, and it never arrived. So no big deal. I waited it out. A lot of time I waited it out, put a claim in, and I get it. Put a claim in, I didn't get anywhere. So it just took a while. It was, I don't know, it was shortly after he came out with these particular parts that I'm going to show you. And I never got them. So we just kind of talked back and forth. I never really made a big deal out of it because I know things happen with the post office, and you guys have to be very aware of that before you like jump on a seller, because it happens all the time. It even happened with the large companies. But I reached out to this guy and I told him, you know, it was lost, whatever the case might be, and not for the reason for him to replace it. I actually told him, we were just talking, because we actually talk back and forth on Instagram from time to time. Real cool guy. Make sure you guys reach out to him. But so I told him I was looking at buying something else, and he said, well, when I buy that, he'll go ahead and throw whatever else I was buying. Well, take that back. He was going to, the parts that I originally ordered, he's going to throw them in the box with the parts that I was about to order. And he didn't charge me shipping. So I talked to him one evening. He sent me the PayPal request, went ahead and paid that. I don't know if I paid it the next day, but whenever I paid it, the following day, he shipped it right out. And I just noticed, because I pulled the label off of it, I want you guys to see my information. Not a big deal, but I don't want you to see it. And I noticed on the label, he had written, fast ship, lost in the mail. Now, that's what you call good customer service. And he actually sent it FedEx also. But I just wanted to give a shout out to him, because, I mean, he didn't have to do that. But I really appreciate it, because, again, like I say, things get lost all the time. You guys just got to understand that. You know, that's what the insurance is for, whatever the case might be. But anyway, let me show you the parts that I did get. Now, a couple of parts, I'm going to go ahead and put them on screen now so you'll see what I got. He sent me those for free, just to test out on the new track that we have. Well, the new course that we have. And I thought that was pretty cool. They did like it. I found out that some people had already, I think the guy had already bought some things before he actually saw those. So that was pretty cool of him to send those. All right, so we're going to get back into the unboxing. So, and like I said, I had already opened this. What I did get from here was the skids for the Gladiator. So you'll notice these are quite a bit longer than your, not original, but your ones that you would have gotten for these are the ones I printed for my JLU. But see how much longer those are? I mean, they are way longer. So originally, this is what I ordered. And I was going to order these. He have them in a pack, so make sure you check it out. Also, guys, he threw in a couple pieces of root beer candy. That's pretty cool. Dad's root beer. Also, sticker sheet. Flubber stuffers. Slyzme Ballz. I don't know if you guys have seen this, but make sure you go check out that website. But I also got the fenders. These are the inner fenders, I guess you would call them. I forgot exactly what he says on the website, but just make sure you go over, check it out. He has a combo that you can purchase, and it will come with these fenders along with these sliders. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these installed, guys, and let you see what it looked like. Alright guys, got it installed. This is what it looked like. Absolutely love that, guys. That closed in look. Once again, I want to give a shout out to Chris Carruthers with Flubber Stuffers. Guys, make sure you go over and check them out. Really easy to install. It's only like what, 1, 2, 3, 4 screws up front. And it is 3 screws in the back. Really nice look. Tell me what you guys think. I think he knocked it out of the park with this one. I mean, it's really like closed off really well. I mean, it looked like it should have come with this. Chris, thanks once again, man. Link will be in the video description below. And make sure you check out his Instagram. It'll be in the it'll be below also. Make sure you let him know I sent you. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.